All right, y'all, I'm back. And I must say, I really like it. I think it's cute. Now, of course, I'll have to tweak it, but for the purposes of this video and plopping it on, just to give my first impression as well as my final thoughts, yes, y'all. And it doesn't appear as dark as I thought it would. So, I like it a lot, y'all. Let me just turn that way. That way. And I'm not going to do too much with the back because as y'all can see, it's fairly long, but I don't want to manipulate the curls too much. But yes, this is definitely a good summer wig. And I'm sure the camera and lighting is not doing a good job with picking up those baby hairs, but you can take your little favorite edge control of your choice or whatever and give them some nice swooped effects. Or you can just, you know, put them off into the wig if you're not one that wears baby hairs. But I'm extra like that. So I will definitely be going in and manipulating them baby hairs and giving them a little nice little zigzaggy, and making them look real cute and natural. Um, Now I did go into the parting space with that Ulta mineral powder and just, you know, boom, just to make that part pop. People always ask me, especially at work, but how you get the part to look so real? And I'm like, girl, you better get you some cheap makeup just for your wigs. You always want to go, a little lighter than your skin tone because our scalp is not the same color as our skin. It's a few shades lighter. So you want it to look as realistic as possible, but I am liking this wig. This is cute, especially for the summer. I know me and my husband like to go down to the beaches here. They have a lot of lake cruises, boat cruises that we take up in Myrtle Beach and right outside of Brunswick, Georgia, just on a day outing when we want to just go do a little romantic getaway and just have some fun. And I can just see it now. Face washed and clean and beat with a little makeup, lashes and eyebrows done up, and a cute little sundress and some nice sandals. Yes. So I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased. What are y'all's thoughts? Are you familiar with the Outre melted lace line? If so, please drop down in the comments and let your girl know what you think. If you haven't tried it based on this review, do you think you would give it a shot? I actually like it. Oh, and keep in mind, y'all, I still have on my wig grip headband from my other wig. I probably should have took that off because I must say that that elastic band has this wig so snug and secure, I didn't need my wig grip on. That's really just to protect your edges. I'm not using any of the two combs in the top, nor the comb in the back, and it's very secure. Like I literally have all of my hair braided back and braided across the back in one large French braid, and it is very, very, very secure. You might see a hump there from my thick braid. But other than that, y'all, I don't really find any cons with it aside from the fact that because it's a synthetic unit, over time it will start to tangle. But as long as I keep my hands out of it from doing this right here, what I'm doing, this wig will last. I can probably get a couple of good months of wear out of it simply because I don't wear my wigs every day and I rotate through them a lot. I would probably fluff it up a little bit more to give it more volume. I was going to try to comb through the curls, but I just didn't want to manipulate it. Plus, I want to put some serum on it just to tame away those flyaways. But overall, guys, I'm thoroughly impressed. I'll also probably just go over it with my heat wand because it can take heat up to 400 degrees. And also because I got that band on, it's giving it a little humpage up in here. But nothing, a little heat across the top won't flatten out. So what are y'all's thoughts? Is she a yay or a nay? For me, Miss Natalia is definitely a yay. I'm going to definitely make it do what it do. It doesn't look wiggy. I'm liking the pre-plucked hairline. Um, as you can see, you can pull that back and totally slick down some of those baby hairs if you want to. You can pull it behind. As you can see, it's lifting there because I don't have it glued down or anything, but you could pull it back behind your ear. You could put it in a ponytail. Um, you could bobby pin it back. And again, because it's got that 3x3 area, 3 inches across and 3 inches back. Well, it's actually 3 inches across and 5 inches back. You could put your part over here, or you could put your part over here, anywhere within that realm. But me personally, I'm a middle part girl. And for this particular style, with these waves, I'm liking the middle part. So I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. I want to thank you guys for taking a moment to click on this video and check out this review. If you enjoyed this review and this commentary along with this review, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up for your girl. And if you really enjoyed the video, please take a moment to subscribe. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.